Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what was in my Boxycharm for January 2018. First off, on my nails, today I am wearing Zoya, and this is Joni, and this is one of the ones that I bought because of the name. That's my name. It's spelled a little different, but that's it, Joni. Beautiful. Love this color. Beautiful. Okay, so let's get into this box and see what we have. I already opened it so that I wouldn't have to stop to get it open. So let's get in here. Okay, so as we open it up, we have a card here, and it looks like don't want to peek. Each month they have a theme, and it looks like this month's theme for January is Rock 2018. And then it says on the back here, it has your items and all the information on them. We'll look at that later. And this is Rock 2018. This is an ingredients list for one of the products that are in here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. First thing, obviously, is this. What is this? Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Base Luminizer Primer. So let's check this out. Oh, it's kind of tinted. Nice and smooth. Does it look like I have pores no more? Well, that's nice. That's going to be interesting to see how that works underneath makeup. Okay, so then next we'll just go in with this big, right on the top here. This is by Crown, and it is called Glam Metallics. And so this is a eyeshadow. Let's check these out. Oh, cool. That is cute. Wow, look at these colors. Wow. Oh, a little sticky. Let's just check a few of these out. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, those are intense. I really like this mirror. That is so cute. All right. So next, let me wipe my hand here quick. Next we have, this is by Pure. This is a bronze and brightener. Cheek palette. So let's check this out. Oh, holy moly. Okay. Let me wipe off my hands here quick. Okay. So let's swatch these. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's supposed to be a bronzer? Wow. And there's the highlighter. Oh. And there's the blush. Wow. These feel very soft and velvety. Have to definitely use a light hand because that's some pigmentation. Wow. All right. Let me wipe off my hand here. And next, oh, this is it, Brow Power. All right. Won't come out. So this is a brow. Oh, it's an universal taupe. It's got a nice spoolie on the end there. And it's just a twist up. See this? Wow, you do have to push kind of hard to even get it to... Wow. It's nice, but you have to push quite a bit to even get it to show up. Huh. Interesting. I'll have to check that out. So yeah, and our last product is, this is by Girlatik, and this is a matte lip paint. I am really not much of a lip person. I really don't do nothing besides a little gloss and some chapstick. But I have tried matte lip paints before, and they're just so drying that I just can't deal with that. So this is in the color Posh. So let's see here. Ooh. Oh, that seems really pretty creamy for a matte. Wow. Okay. I like the color though. That's pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to check out the card here. Oop. Okay, so let's see. The Girlatik matte lip paint retails for $23. The It Cosmetics Brow Power retails for, oh, how much is this one? Retails for $24. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer retails for $38. And then we have the Crown Glam Metallics, and this retails for $25. And lastly, the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This one retails for $34. Of January's box, Rock 2018, retail value is $144. So there we have it. I will check out these products and let you know at the end of the month what I thought of them and how they worked for me. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments and suggestions below, and I'll see you in the next one.